Adding a new input source like a different language or keyboard layout on macOS is a quick process, though the menus have shifted slightly in recent versions of macOS Tahoe. Here is the step-by-step guide to getting that second or third language up and running. Open System Settings from your dock or System Preferences on older versions. Navigate to Keyboard. In the sidebar, scroll down and click on Keyboard. Find the input sources. Look for the text input section on the right. Click the Edit button next to Input Sources. To add a new language, simply click the plus button in the bottom left corner of the window. Search for the language or layout you want, like this Albanian and Akan, for example. Or find the specific layout from this search bar, then click Add once done. To enable the menu bar shortcut, to make switching easier, ensure the toggle for Show Input Menu in Menu Bar is turned on. How to switch between keyboards. Once you have multiple sources, you don't want to dig through settings every time you need to type a special character. Use these shortcuts. The menu bar, click the icon, usually a flag or a character like A or US, in the top right of your screen. The globe key. On newer Mac keyboards, pressing the globe key cycles through your active languages. Keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl plus Spacebar to toggle between your last two used sources. Pro tips. When adding a source, macOS shows you a preview of where the keys are. This is helpful for languages like Spanish or German where punctuation is in different spots. And auto-switching technique. If you find yourself constantly switching for specific apps, you can enable automatically switch to a document's input source, which remembers which language you are using for specific files. And there you have it. You're now officially a macOS keyboard power user. Whether you're bouncing between languages for work or just trying to find that one elusive accent mark, these shortcuts should save your fingers a lot of extra travel. Did you find it useful? Drop your comments below and see you on the next one.